day, everyone. I'm Maria Glenda Sorhana. Today, we are going to discuss solving word problems involving linear inequalities. So let's start. First, here are the inequality symbols: greater than, less than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and unequal. In solving the word problems, we have steps to follow. Number 1. Highlight the important information in the problem. Number 2. Identify the unknown variable. Number 3. Write the inequality. Number 4. Solve the inequality. So now, we are going to apply the steps in the given problem. Problem number 1. Keith has $500 in savings account at the beginning of the summer. He wants to have at least $200 in the account by the end of the summer. He withdraws $25 each week for food, clothes, and movie tickets. So step 1, we have to highlight the important information. So we have the highlighted words there. The $500 in a savings account at the beginning of the summer. At least $200 in account by the end of the summer. And withdraws $25 each week. Step number 2. Identify the unknown variable. Since we don't know how many weeks Keith withdraw from his account, so we let W represents the unknown variable. Step 3. Write the inequality. Since Keith has $500 in his account at the beginning and withdrawn $25 every week, so we have to minus the withdrawn money from his initial savings. But he wants to have at least $200 in his account. So the savings left should be equal to $200 or greater than. So we have here the inequality. 500 minus 25W is greater than or equal to 200. So step 4, we have to solve the inequality. So the inequality, we have 500 minus 25W is greater than or equal to 200. So next, we have to subtract 500 from both sides to obtain negative 25W is greater than or equal to negative 300. And now we have to divide both sides by 25. We have negative 25W is greater than or equal to negative 300. So now we have to divide both sides by negative 25. So W is less than or equal to 12. So the number of weeks Keith can withdraw from his account is 12 weeks or less. Problem number 2. Yellow Cab Taxi charges a $1.75 flat rate in addition to $0.65 per mile. Katie has no more than $10 to spend on a ride. So step 1, we have to highlight the important information. We have $1.75 flat rate. In addition, $0.65 per mile and no more than $10. Step 2. Identify the unknown variable. We don't know how many miles did the taxi travel, so we let M be the representation for the miles traveled. Step 3. Write the inequality. Since the flat rate is $1.75 and additional of $0.65 every mile traveled, but Katie should spend only $10 or less for the fare. So we have 0.65 M plus 1.75 is less than or equal to 10. Step 4. We already have now our inequality. 0.65 M plus 1.75 is less than or equal to 10. So we have to subtract 1.75 both sides to obtain 0.65 M is less than or equal to 8.25. Next, we have to divide both sides by 0.65. So we have now M is less than or equal to 12.69. So the number of miles Katie can travel without exceeding in her budget is 12.69 miles or less.